Okay, yesterday I made a post here where I published an audio conversation or an audio from someone. Should I say brother? He's not a brother. He's a DS member that have different opinion from what we already know, and he was criticizing Biafran government in exile and saying all manner of things, against Biafran redeclaration that took place in Finland. In his own opinion, the way the Biafran is today is not the way he wants it to be. He wants it to be, in a different way with his own imagination, believing that the day Biafran will declare that the whole world will stand still and all that nonsense. You see, one of the reasons why I published that video is for you to know, because I have seen some of you saying, why don't you bring this video down? You don't need to bring this kind of video in your platform and all that. The reason why I decided to publish it is for you to see that at this point in time, we still have a lot of people that have, idiocy, the way they believe, what they believe, and how the reason is unacceptable. Just for you to see, because when we talked about this kind of people, some of you believe that you are just bluffing, you are just saying it for making video and all that, but it's not true. You can hear him, you can see how sensible he is, right? The way he reasoned, his own mindset, the way he sees Biafra, what Biafra means to him, and how he thinks that Biafra can be declared. He argued that Biafra cannot be declared outside Biafra land and all that. That is the idiocy we are talking about. Anyway, here is Biafrans that understand what is going on, sharing his own opinion. Yes, you may disagree with him. Some of you will agree, but let's listen to him and tell me what you think about it. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Very, very, very important that you do so. Let's watch it. Let's listen to him. It's very, very important, like I said.
Please, my fellow United States of Biafra, this video that I saw in this platform, that Oge Shuku, aka Nkere, who made him to be Prime Minister of Bridge, who are the kangaroo them that formed this one. I told you people that this Oge Nkere with Van and Sunday Akarawa, they has a plan. Now look at, they want to start what DOS have done to Mazen Nandek, this is what these fools they want to create again, to cause commotions against our men on the ground because of they make him to be a finance minister. Now he have went and begin to take an oath on behalf of the United States of Biafra as a prime minister of Maze Samoneba on behalf of Maze. Is there anything like bridge again in United States? Bridge have been dissolved, which Maze have said it after declaration that they will dissolve bridge. Then the United States of Biafra should be officially used to declare the United States of Biafra, which have done and be confirmed by the world. Go to internet today, go to Google, you will see United States of Biafra was declared in so day and so month. Why this a flave that comes out now begin to create another commotion in the Biafran people, and the people are seeing this nuisance that are called Nkere. I'm saying it, all these our gallant men, they should be careful, or if they not take time, if they not take time, then we die like others. Then we die like others. Don't let them not allow this Efulave to use them to wash their brain. These people have bought by Nigerian zoo government, but they don't want to listen. They don't want to reason. They don't want to reason. I say, Ijiji Grilla no here le suzu abala. All these our commander gallant men. You people should be careful with this Oge Nkere and the Sunday Akarawa and the Van. These people have another motive entirely to you people. They will even water than DOS. These people will water than DOS. Who make them to be this Nkere to become prime minister? Again, after we have already deputy prime minister that now in charge of United States of Biafra that called Ngozi Orabeze. Who is this animal that called Nkere to come again, begin to cause commotion, to bring confusion in Biafran land? I have told you people, all this our commander, they should be careful. Now he have telling them that BDF, they have come back and they will start to wear them. Who are them? Who holds the money? I pity those that are doing donation. Are you people a fool? You people that are doing donation in Europe country, in outside country, both in the home and the diaspora, to this idiot that called Nkere. He has no more a Biafran financial minister again. You people should stop following this thief. You people should stop. I'm warning you people. Most all these our gallant men, the Biafran Liberation Army, particular Rose and the Commander Butuzo, and also this our brother who's facing first for the public of the zoo country that call Holy Ghost. And I should be careful with these people. These people want to bring you people out, and once they bring you people out, know where you people are staying. Then we engage you people one by one. You people should not follow this man method. This man comes is another motive entirely. They will be water than a more powerful and they all and code them. They will powerful. I'm not saying this like a gele to you people. These people that I'm seeing, who made him to be a prime minister of United States? Biafra, do we have two Biafra? Biafra is one, and that one have announced himself on November 29. There is no any other. Okay, prime minister is being now prime minister under Kushi led under Kushi government, under another two Biafran or the Biafran that we know that they declare on November 29 that in Ogogo. Which if you Google now, you will see Biafra. Where is he going to bring another Biafra? That Google will have another two Biafran. This man is a madman. He must be madman. This Nkere. He must be a madman. Look at the one useless man is swearing for him and they happy, saying God will help you. Help who? Help devil. Why these people are using God name to play? Thunder will strike them. Oh. Thunder will strike Nkere. Thunder will finish him, finish your generation for this commotion you want to cause in Biafran land. You want to begin to act like a more powerful and code them. That put Mazen Nandekano where he is today. These people don't have a better plan for Mazen Samanebao. Their prayer is that let them, our premise, not come out for that detention when they with Finland. That is these people motive. Well, I've said it that these people are writing serious petition with all this call our Ojukwu call Bianca Ojukwu wife that call Bianca. These people now have collected a lot of money, more than even a more powerful them from government to make sure say they destabilize this United States of Biafra. Please, people should make comments, all the whole platform, all the whole internet to let people know that this man is a fake prime minister to whatever he say he call himself. Mazi don't know this man. Mazi Samalakwa don't know this man. This man is a criminal. To my own understanding, Nkere is a criminal. Anybody who call that man a prime minister is a saboteur. That is why he sees Osinachi, what they call him, sent to Osinachi, or what they call him, is with Exodus 1 over 14. Those people are used as agents that debunking rubbish message in platforms and the internet and others, so and the where people can be hearing them. Now they have made a video to carry their three criminals, Sunday Akarawa and Nkere. Look at where they pose themselves and carry one stupid man. Begin to give him oath to swear as a prime minister on for behalf of who? How many cabinet we miss of him? Look at where he stand alone inside one warehouse. They take a oath. Thunder will fire him there. The gods of the Biafran land will stroke him. Nkere will not go well in land of Biafra. All this blood that he be sharing, that people are crying to make Biafra to restore. This man want to bring another commotion again, that we will be drawing Biafra movement back. And people are watching this idiot. The commanders are watching him. And they have been using them. Because of him, they make him as a financial minister. Say Mazi have been sending him message as well, voluntary message, which he have not ordained as a full message, which he have know that after the declaration of Biafra, everybody will go. If you then the state, the government needs you, then we call you and give you your own office. But if they don't like you, go. Now they have opportunity because of our Samanepa is not on the seat. That is why they are happy, bragging now, making a different moves to make sure say Samanepa know it come back to his post again. But shame will be upon them. Shame will be upon them. Anybody who not love Ngozi Orabeze for what this woman have done for Biafrans, that person will know where, he will not go well with that woman in this 40 state of Biafra. It will not go well for that man or woman in 40 state of Biafra. I'm saying it as I'm here standing now on the center of sea, telling you this with annoyance and no joy on me. For anybody who will not support Ngozi Orabeze, this woman break record in the United States of Biafra. I don't see the reason why people will not support this woman. Look at this efulefu, criminal, money monger, who can never use his money do well in his life. Now he went and begin to take oath. He's a prime minister of United Biafra for government. There is there anything like government in exile anymore? What we are now a United States of Biafra, the 40 states that make a United States of Biafra. I'm just want to add this question. These governors that in the 40 states of Biafra, what are they doing? What are they saying? What other tribe that are not even speaking Igbo, what are they commenting this out of this useless coward that call Nkere is trying to perform now to bring obstacle among the 40 states of Biafra? What are they saying? What are those people are talking about? What are those states? Not only this, I would say Igbos. What about those states? What are they talking about now? Are they folding their hand? Are they seeing what is going on now? They cannot speak. Where is the governors, ministers, and others that in the those 40 states? What are they doing now? That they will like this idiot to spoil what they have built and what they have suffered for. Why are they keeping quiet? I want to know. Ngozi Orabeze should wake up. He should wake up and call a crucial meeting for this 40 states of Biafra. The governors, call them in meeting and put it in a social media, put it in a conference, televise it, and let all Biafrans see these 40 people that make a 40 state of Biafra. Not 2 people, not 1, not a meeting of 3 or 4 or 10 people. These 40 people that make United States of Biafra, whether a woman, whether a man, please, we need you to call meeting among you people and let them talk about this Biafra in public and in social media. Different tribes, let them speak their language so that their own people will hear. What they let them to know that there is Biafra have been declared. There is nobody again that be the deputy prime minister as apart Ngozi Orabeze. Any other person is a counterfeit. Any other person is a duper. Any other person is a fraud. And those who are in exile that are donating money should not donate money in those any other people that call their government or what. That those people are criminals. And you, all these 40 states of Biafra should talk out and call these commanders. These are our generals. Those are our the men on the ground, that they should ignore these people, or else their head will follow them. Oh, their head will follow them. Let these 40 states speak out. Please, I'm begging Ngozi Orabeze to call meeting for all these 40 states, whether a woman, whether a man. I'm repeating it. let him call them and put it in a conference hall and put it, if it's in a Skype call, let all United States of Biafra hear this super voice. Different tribes, anyone who want to speak in language, let them speak their language. Those who know hearing Igbo, speak Igbo. Those who are another Benin or Isoko or Igara, whatever their language, speak it so that their own people will know. Biafra have been declared, and this person is the people that be representing Mazi Samanapa for now till when the big boss comes out from where he go, because we know he went an errand and is coming back with a great news, a great testimony for Biafrans, as our 4 gallant men that go with him have comes out, shows that our beloved Prime Minister is also joining us before this year we ran off. That is what I believe on myself. I don't know other person, because I so much love Simon Ekpa. He's a man of his word. He's a man of dignity. A man that has everything in life as a man. That when he speaks, he will know that this is a man. Please let Biafrans to rise up. Let people make comments. Let people speak. Let people say word in internet, Instagram, in YouTube, in WhatsApp, anywhere that he can. Send a message to the world to know that there is nobody like another Prime Minister in United States of Biafra. There is nothing like bridge anymore. They have declared Biafra on 29th of November, which is been known as United States of Biafra, which have been even known before the Mazi went in era. So anybody again that coming out and say representing Mazi Samanapa as a Prime Minister, that person is a coward. That person is a criminal, and it will not go well with anybody who want to interrupt the Gozo Rabeze movement. It will not go well with him. If you enter plane, your plane will crash. I'm giving you a swear this afternoon. I'm in the center of sea saying this word to you. If you enter a plane, be human, we can't go there, Rabeze, you will fall inside water. My water will magnet you, will go down. I'm telling you the truth. And if you carrying a car, once you are crossing a bridge, you will have an accident, you will fall inside water. That is to discuss and learn these evil people. And if you're walking with enter a ship, that is final for you. You are in our house and you will sink. That is what I'm telling this Efule that want to cause commotion in Biafran land now. Ngozo Rabeze, I pray that Almighty Chukwukeke Abiyama will give you the grace and you will carry Biafra to the promised land. This year we are entering 2025. Today is 24, being December 2014. I am believing that next year, before nothing next year, our flag will fly forever to the world, which I believe. Ngozi Rabeze, be their hearts, don't shake. Biafrans are with you. The 40 states of Biafrans are with you. Don't listen to any gossip. Don't listen to any kepu talk. You are a man, a woman that more than man. Forget that you are bending and urinating. There is those who stand with their prick and they urinate that don't have the calm mind you are. You are a woman of 25, while our Prime Minister is a man of 50. Martin now they cannot say, I need 100 men. And our beloved Prime Minister say, if you are looking for 100 men, I am a 1 in 50. Now, Ngozi Rabeze is 1 in 25 of a woman. So, it should not be bothered. You should not be afraid of any mortar, any beast, any animal that will counter this movement you are now. The United States of Biafra, the spirit of Biafra, the angels of the Biafra, the both dead and alive, they are on your back. Don't panic, don't fear. Don't listen to any mugu. Don't listen to any coward. Don't listen to any efulave. Don't listen to any ifajulas. All these saboteurs, all these pharaohs, don't listen to them. They will run finish, then we come back. As I go shows I go mine. I demanded them merengi. Okwangozi Nkere and the Bam 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 and Sunday Akarawa. I have watched I go mile. Brande Jeme Ocean, anything ha like Rihame, you know, how petition here with the Nigerian government submit here to Finland people to make sure say Simon Ekpa is still the telling station. then we fail. Then we fail. Then we fail woefully by the special grace of Chukwu Kikabiama. Then we fail. I am very, very annoyed and very brutal in my heart now, which if I saw this Efulefu, or if I wish I have his own number, I will call him and tell him a word that he will never regret, he will never forget in his life. He's a madman. Nkere, for you to declare yourself as a prime minister of Mazi Simon Ekpa. Who does that? Who give you that audacity? Who give you that privilege? After you have betrayed Biafra, saboteur, you be in the congregation with the people hoping that Biafra have been declared. Don't know that you have a motive mind. You and the Bam and the son Akarawa, we can code them. No go better for all of us now. Chukwu Kikabiama will delete on a life in this world. As I no one Biafra to be exist. You are swearing for who swear you are swearing to serve Biafra. They will punish you and punish all your generation. For you to see you are serving Biafra under Mazi Simon Ekpa. Who told you? Mazi don't know you. You because he call you as a voluntary supporter to follow him to do an error. Now you have do your work. You go. Nobody needs you. If you can't believe that. You say Ngozi Orabeze is the one who has the power to sack you. You have already put in a list that you are going to be dropped, and someone have already let Ngozi Orabeze to these people. After the declaration, they should leave. That is why the woman give you people sacking paper. Go to any spiritual power and search it. You will see what I'm telling you. Ngozi Orabeze is not the one sacking people. People that who that serve you people paper to go is Simon Ekpa himself, the prime minister. Is the one giving that instruction before they sack you people. You people should not put the allegation of blaming Ngozi Orabeze. Ngozi Orabeze is not the one sacking people. Who sacking people is from the office of our prime minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. They have already put this notice on ground before he went to this era. And you people will shock you people. When Mazi come outside, you will hear the word of God and saying people today that these people have been sacked by the prime minister himself. So they should go and die one corner. They should go and relax, because if they don't have any evil agenda, they will not be struggling to say I must have a post, because they have their mouth have been wide. They have evil mind with the prime minister for long to destroy his what he have been built, like all a more powerful and useless people that follow him. That sell Mazi and they can begin to do fundraising. A woman that hold the account of Mazi Samana, our beloved Mazi Okuchukwu Nandekano, the woman dodge all this efulef, they mad them, and they say he cannot say anything. This woman hide himself till date. Is waiting, praying that when Mazi come outside, he will see that woman will come outside, and he will do account to the rightful people that in the seat. Mark the word I tell you today. This Akarawa and co that are called Nkere. Immediately, it is a Simon Ekpa will not come back to the post again. They begin to deceive our gallant men. Why must Ngozi Orabeze change the account to where they have been using? They want people to still donating, so that we're using the money to lavish. They still say Biafra na shady something. Biafra is a spirit, so that then we know that before they are planning to do Biafrans have already know that them are criminals. So I'm saying it openly. And letting all the people in outside country that are donating money. These people are not working for you people. They are not the one paying you people salary. They don't know how you people suffer to get on our money. People should not donate any money for that old account. They have said it. Ngozi Orabeze have said it several times. You people should debunk those idiots to them. You should go away from them. Don't sow your money there. Even though you have a way that you will retrieve your money that you have been put in that account, remove it and put it to the right people. Ngozi Orabeze is not hiding himself. That woman have been trying for Biafra. Till date, he's still moving around. And now you have let people know very soon now our German should be officially confirmed in the World Bank. He did think that that woman is joking. That is why I'm urging Ngozi Orebeze to make sure that he carry all the 40 states of Biafra, the governors and so-called ministers are among them. Carry them along, open up, don't hide anything to them, so that the United States of Biafra should surface fully next year, and let all people that whatever the language you are using in your own dialect, in your own state, in your own, use it to address people, all the people that in every 40 state of Biafra, and let all the 40 states of Biafra have their own social media. The people that knows what they are doing, that have fear of that Biafra, not although some of them are money monger, or some of them are a betrayer. Maybe what if people are doing in the states of you, they will be selling it to Nigeria. You people to look those who are trusted, because human beings are not trusted. Nobody is perfect, but I believe that Chukwu Okike Abiama, the gods of the Biafran, will fish out the real people that will stand as an media warriors in these states, that will move this nation forward, that will be giving people authentic and undiluted information all over the world. That is what I'm urging Orebeze to do now, before this flave will spoil his government, because they are trying to destabilize his government. That is why this idiot went to swear, say he is a prime minister for a bridge. Who is bridge? Bridge Itabo, yeah? That's a little bridge Itabo, and he will going to fall inside water very soon. I'm on top of what I'm telling this a flave that called Nkere, that say he's a prime minister under my foot. They will punish Nketara Changisi. Can never wait with you. I am not happy with you, Nkere, and the Van and the Sonny Akarawa. I'm not happy with you. For those who have been campaigning for you people, using your name to be debunking the good things that come into Biafra. Mostly this a flave that call Azados, I call him a poison, that will be putting a social going to social media, begin to talk about this idiot to them. How much are they giving? And that's sent to Snashi. You know, go better for 2 of now. I swear. On I go drink water will swell, the water will turn to a gallons of palm oil on a stomach. On I will drink water, turn another poison to her, because on a no like better thing will no follow on her. On a generation we no go see better. On a have make me vex. I say I know they swear for somebody, but we are man to now making you people a cause. We follow you people. As you people not want Biafra to become a nation, not Biafra to become a country that the world will recognize. When some people are fighting to make the country to be okay, you cowards with their one place try to spoil people's mind. By now, people supposed to be rejoicing, happy. 3 people went to begin to stabilize the country, begin to make the country to be sad. By now, people will be happy. Our flag will be still remain in Biafran land. Go to Biafran land today, you cannot see any Biafran land. Biafran flag will stand in any state. It's only that one day they raise it up. Today, everything have no more standing as a flag, which is not supposed. That flag might have been defended by our gallant men. Now they have spoiled the gallant men their mind, begin to create another useless office again. But I picture this our gallant men. If they like, let them follow Akarawa and the show and call them. They will regret at last. When they catch one of them and do them waiting, they do other people. Their eye will come down. All this our commander, they don't see what they do. Ejima was the gallant man that with Eastern Security, because of Emma Powerful and call them. They betray him, and later, what ended? Are you people not watching the old video? People who have those old videos should play it and put it on the platform. Let them watch it and see what has happened to others. Those who hold the console, the day that the army invaded in console place, when they invited into the community chief palace, people deceive him. He thought that he's working with the people. They still deceive him. The commander like him, person that he following, in two I see them, and then betray a console, and they capture him and kill him just like that. And so they will keep people no take care, because I'm see division is coming to this our gallant men. And when these people can know you people in and out, it is finished for you people. They will track you to the core. Nigeria can spend a million to you people head, but you people not understand. You know money people have, oh. Nkere not have any money, oh. Money Nkere have today is individual money, is a Biafran money, both dead and alive, lying whole, oh. No be own personal money. This our gallant men should hear me, oh. This message should go viral and let the gallant men to hear it. They should stop following these people, or else they will ayehebekwa anyam according to Otalomu Israel, oh. Ayehebekwa anyam, and maybe they gbara ha egwu suru gere na say why people are praying bad to them, but they are the one bring themselves out. We are urging you people, we Biafran, we love you people. Stand where you are before. We love you people. Ngozi Rabeze will take care of you people wella, and all Biafran, the 40 states of Biafra have ordained this and stand on this stampede that we people will no lack, you people will no go back, you people will even increase what you people have been before. They are recruiting more men, more soldiers are coming to join on. More ammunition are coming to you people. Sophisticated weapons are coming. You people should not panic. Forget about all this Nkere money will soon finish for your hand, and they will deny you people. I'm begging you, commanders. I urge you. The person who is talking to you is a one of S-men, 52 Brigade, Intake, Field Engineering. And they talk to you. So I am not hiding myself, because Jew is not a country for me to serve. I left that fucking country since 2016. I left them because they are not what to be a country to serve. If Biafra is now fully restored in the Biafran land, I will resign from sea. I will go back to serve my country and defend it. To date, I'm stand for it. No going back. Biafra is in my blood. My father fought for Biafran war, and I come out again. He want to restart again. I can't give up. If we come today, Nigerians rise up today to bring any ammunition or begin to say have come to war. My brother, I'm in the front. I will be in the battlefield. No going back. There did not be anything on your one. Yeah, we like that. That is why Islamic people, they tell us if they die in war front, they are going to heaven. Me, I believe say yes. If I die for defending my people, I'm not going to hellfire, because I can't allow my enemy to come and kill me and kill my family, kill my people of Biafra. I will not take it easy with them. So my fellow comrades, my fellow gallant men, my fellow military men, personnel, I'm begging you, you people should forget about these people. Before these people will say to you people, please, I want you people to call and send back. Follow Ngozi Rabeze. It's the only way you people will have life. Without that, my people, make the darkness not come on our side. Please, I beg you people. Anybody, if you Nkere tell you people that him is the Prime Minister of Simon Ekpa under which cabinet, how many people that make him, who vote him in, who vote him to be a prime minister of government in exile? Is there anything like exile again? Are you people in exile? I'm asking my fellow comrades, my fellow gallant men, are you people still in exile? You are no more in exile. You are now in a state, United States. You people should call these people in order. I don't know why. How much did they give them to bribe you people? You people should ignore these people. Even collect the money, let them know that they are nothing but a coward. They can't buy you people. They cannot deceive people. You people have taken oath. You know the blood that you people have passed through in this struggle. So please, my people, you people should ignore this call Nkere that call himself now as a prime minister of bridge. Bridge will kill him. As I said it before, he will fall from bridge, he will enter water. And so shall it be. I am not happy for this Nkere and the Vam and Sani Akarawa. Anybody who see them to serve this message to them, because they are chameleon to Biafra, they have disappointed Biafra. Instead of them to move forward to join in our beloved Deputy Prime Minister to move the Biafra forward, They are there gossiping. Look, okay, this post is their problem. Post is their problem. That is what they are fighting after they declare United States of Biafra. They will make him deputy prime minister. That is what is. That he have said. He have a truth have been coming out now. Post is hungering them. That is why they run away. They don't want to come and do account. Money that not belong to them, and people are sitting there and watching them, thinking that they are doing good to them. Our commander, you people should wake up. The gallant soldiers, you people should wake up. I see somebody post use the name of Commander Rose. Commander Temple said give them 21 days to come and prove the money they said they take. Can Rose say that? Since all these messages are coming out, I have not heard any talk from Rose, from Temple, even from the General Butuzo. They are not making any comment. Apart only one comment, General Butuzo said that he wants the House to call meeting before now to January 14th. That let them sit and they discuss this issue. That is the only way he said, but he put it in the writing. He didn't say it as a comment as I'm saying now. But the only person who make himself out is only Commander Rose, Commander Holy Ghost. But since then, he have go inside. They have not making any comment again. He just be watching and see what the drama is going. And that drama now will affect Nkere. It will affect Sona Akarawa, and it will affect Vam. That drama that they want to add, you will against them. But the Chukwu Okike Abiyama. So my fellow Biafrans, I urge you people to continue unite as a 40th state of Biafra, and you people have seen those who don't want Biafra to come without being told. As you have seen the people who want to give you people Biafra. Look at the way they are trying to useless the country, so that the world will say these people, they are no unite. That is what these people want to cause in Biafran land, but majority carry the votes. One with God is majority. One with Biafra is more than Nkere, more than Vam, more than Sona Akarawa. That is where I rest my word. May Chukwu Okike Abiyama bless all United States of Biafra. We all will celebrate this ending of this year. Today is 24, being Watch Night Day, being Tuesday. Tomorrow is a Wednesday, being 25th of December, a day we celebrate our coming Lord Jesus. Is tomorrow be 25, and that tomorrow being 25 be on Wednesday. You know what Wednesday mean? Wednesday is a day that God separates the wheat and the chaff, and the day that God separates darkness, move light from darkness. So Biafrans are light. The light must shine in Biafrans on land, Biafrans land, because our land is a rising sun. Sun will never stop rising from the United States of Biafra. The sunset will continue to come out from there, and we all will witness 2025. All United States of Biafra, both home and abroad. Those Biafrans by birth, I wish you all happy Christmas, happy New Year, and we all will dance Egwu Oma, Egwu Ejaba for all of us will dance it and celebrate Christmas and New Year that coming to end next week, Wednesday, be 1st of December, 1st of January 2025. Our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Eba Njoko, will join us to celebrate New Year. Whether the enemy, the Fajuna, the saboteur, the Judas, Sona Akarawa, Nkere, and Vam, whether they like it or not, our beloved Prime Minister, even our Onyendu himself will surely join us to celebrate New Year 2025. That is what I wish them with my own faith. I don't know your own faith. If you believe that our Prime Minister Mazi Samaneba Omadike Obata Obie himself and our soul love Onyendu Omadike himself, our beloved Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will join us celebrate 2025 that coming in a week to come today. He will shout he say 7 times and seal it by the Chukwu Okike Abiama. He end it. That is what I need all Biafran 40 states to say as you are hearing this voice this afternoon, being Tuesday, being 2024 being 24th of December. May the Chukwu Okike Abiama grant all my desire that I pray for my beloved Prime Minister, my beloved Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, my beloved sister, the Deputy Prime Minister, and so-called the followers, the people that work with Ngozi Orabeze. May Chukwu Okike Abiama bless all of us, both home and abroad. In the name of Chukwu Okike Abiama, he say.
My brother say ga agbawa afa Igbo people nọ under course. Ihe emega anyị na-agba ha aka kwesị nwere onye Igbo. Ihe emega anyị na-agba ha aka. Ihe emega anyị agba ha aka. The afa tara na north through Ojukwu side. Alọrọ egbu how many millions of people egburu. Ka afa ya Wazirike pụta. Mego Wazirike lakpo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pụta. Gbalịa mepee ọnọdụ the whole tribe niile nọ na Nigeria anya mepee ha anya. Ewere ha Mazi Nnamdi Kanu akwụ ụmụnne ha rere ya enye ha n'aka ndị Fulani enemy ha jichie ya. Simon Ekpawa Prime Minister kala agbatọ n'aka eji anọ aha Biafra agba ka ịhụrụ ha ga-apụla na nkwa evil against him. Iwere hụ na ndị Igbo nọ under course. Akwa onye Yoruba kwuru Yoruba man kwuru ya achọ ka egbute Yoruba man pastor kwuru enu were na-ekwu na ha anọ we under course. Ama ma ihe ndị nna nna anyị ha metere ihe mega anyị ji ata afụ generation anyị ji ata afụfụ dutu ụmụnne anyị ha erere na slave trade. Ahịa egbe ihe kwesịrị ịgba anyị ga-agba afa ga-epi the spirit of ihe mega ihe a n'ala Igbo because ụmụnne anyị erere through slave trade ma ụfọdụ ndị gara na ọgwụ na ahịa anụma ka na aha obodo ndedate nke aha part na American side ka ọ dị gịnị ga-erukpu onwe ha na mmiri ha lekpere na obiọma ya erukpunye na obiọma gbere nwa ọjọọ ha mụrụ n'ime mmiri. Instead ha ga-abụ slave ha jikọ onwe ha aka baa n'ime osimiri mmiri gbagbuo ha nwechia. Ichere ha nwụrụ n'anya mma ndị ọkụ na ha nwutere ma ndị eze ma ndị chief anyị nwutere chi na-ere echi ha ji anya mmiri bụọ ha ọnụ were hapụ ala pụwa. Ọcha ihe ha ji ata lewe n'elu lee dị afọ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lọtara akwa ụmụnne ahụ ma ndị butere ma private jet ma everything ga ebulala ya bie n'aka ndị Fulani. Ndị Fulani na-agbụ ndị iri Nigerian people bie ha kpachie Mazi Nnamdi Kanu echebezie nnọọ onye nkekele emetụ ekere ji na-anọtụ mmerụ anyị ga-eke eme nọsef ndị inveda bụ ndị Fulani egbuchapụ ndị Igbo nọ from Enugu steeti ebunu gbadatatawatu ala Imo steeti ma Anambra ha ma ya Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Mazi Simon Ekpa kpuchiri obi adịghị ndị winch all this Fulani Igbo Fulani ha na-amụrụ n'ala Igbo obi adịghị ha mma. O nwere efu na ihe na-eme anyị agba ha aka anyị dịrị igekwa igega achọwa gbawa afa ka amara ihe mere nnọọ anyị ji na-ata ụda afụfụ anyị ji gbasha all over the world na-ata afụfụ a. Ụlọ adịghị mma ama adịghị mma lee ya ịmara nke ma ọ na-eme apịa ha na m n'uche kwe nkwuo ihe onye na-erizi na ọfụma na-aghọta ya okwu m ga-amakwa na ha ihe m na-ebe akwa na ya tụ aka nne m anọghị ndị nna m nọ dị anyị nọ under course ụmụ Igbo man anyị nọ under course somebody bụrụ anyị ọnụ abụrụ anyị ọnụ anyị ndị Igbo abụrụ anyị ọnụ onye chọ abụghị ya ọnụ nọ ngwa na ose etelen iji ha nye ihe na-emeni iji ha nye unu ihe na-emeni. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Simon Prime Minister mere invite na-erube ha mere ihe ha na emere overthrow ndị amị na-ekwu okwu ime overthrow, our men on the ground na-ekwu okwu ime overthrow. Amamonye nke ọzọ asọ bụ Nkere ka asọ gịrị amama ahụ ọ na-aza aza si ya wụzide ya emezila overthrow, ya bụ prime minister. Ndị mba ọzọ ma ndị United Nations na-elezi ndị Igbo a ga na-asị kedu ụdị tribe a enye ha dịsi freedom, enye ha na freedom ha nwee nation election agaghị eji ha ga-egbu isi onwe ha. ma na abụọ dị anya and ụmụnne ha ndị nke nọkwa by the side ndị ọda ma Kogi ha ma ndị mba mmiri ha ma so many people na ndị real Igbo but the Igbos ha ga na-elekwa anyị na akwa ekwuru ihe na ọwụ ihe anụ le ndị Igbo asị ma ihe ụlọ ahụ na ebe amamihe ndị Igbo nọ unu hụzi ebe ọ na-end ha chọrọ ka agbakasịa dị ihe anụ ha jọn na ha ndị si kama sa ma ọ na-ekpe ga-eweta dị Biafra nke mma na Biafra na-abịala unu ejila anya unu eji anya unu ji ime unu na anya unu na-afụ ya kwa nkwu asị m na-ekwu akwasị nsị agbachara m nkịtị for many days agbachara m nkịtị sa nwere onye m na-atọpụsịrị ọnụ ka m nọrọ onwe m ka mmadụ ha enwe na high blood pressure. Krismas agbaga mmadụ ama agbaga Krismas ma agbaga Krismas ọ dutu iwe akwaghị iwe mere m ji wee pụọ from this Biafra minister home iwe mere m ji pụgodi ka m gaa akpakọ pren ma ọnụ mmadụ agbụghị ara nwere fụ ihe ụmụnne anyị mego onwe ha ihe ndị Igbo mego onwe ha ongekwa unu nwee ndị okenye nwee ndị na-eme omenala na-eme ihe anụwa na-agọda ala Igbo na-agọda aja Igbo ha agaghị agbawa afọ gị mara ha emeghị ndị Igbo ha emeghị Igbo agbaghị aka ha emeghị Igbo agbaghị aka bụta ekwu ekita anụ ụfọdụ ga-abịa eji Jizọs eji blood of Jesus omukwe blood of Jesus nje ekpuchi onye ihe ọbụla meghị Igbo ha emega iwu ndị Igbo agbaghị aka ha emega iwu ụmụ Igbo agbaghị aka anyị nakwa ndị kọs udo dịkwara unu ekwusikwa m ka ọra m n'olu.